Hey, good morning. Today I'm going to make some breakfast. It's going to be cinnamon brioche French toast. I'm going to try some new things here, a new frying pan, a new recipe. I got the recipe from my friend at work, Andrew, so we're going to try one including honey, which I never included in French toast. And I'm going to have a new frying pan today, the Foodi Neverstick. Maybe you guys saw this advertised over the holidays. Well, I bought one for the household here because we do use the frying pans a lot and we like the non-stick surface for making eggs and omelets and French toast. But this is pretty cool. It's 12 inches. When I got it, I found that the surface is kind of like diamondy. And I thought it would be real smooth, but we'll see how it works. It's able to be used on any induction burner, stovetop, or you can even put it into the oven up to 500 degrees. And sometimes I use a little implement that might be metal on some of my frying pans, and actually it is allowed on this one. It says metal utensil safe. It has a dishwasher safe, induction ready, lots of good features. Let's take this off and let me wash it up quick. I'll be right back. Alright, you can adjust this recipe depending how much bread you're actually going to make, but I'll give you a start here. It's pretty easy. I'm going to use 1 cup of whole milk. And to that I'm going to add a cup of half and half. Alright, let's use a cup. And this is thicker, you can see. Alright. Next we're going to take 2 eggs. And I have jumbo size eggs here. So if you have small eggs you could use 3. But we're going to put 2 in here. And cinnamon, I'm going to use a whole tablespoon of cinnamon. And cinnamon is actually nutritious and it's really good for you. So don't be afraid to get the flavors going with a whole tablespoon of cinnamon. Even a heaping tablespoon of cinnamon. Alright, next secret ingredient for French toast. I don't know, do any of you guys use this in your French toast? I never did before, but it sounds good to me. Sometimes I add a little sugar in my French toast. Well, this time I won't be doing that. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. We're going to enjoy the hard work of the bees. Using honey is really good for the environment because it helps the bees to thrive, it helps the beekeepers to take care of the hives. It's all good, so it's a nice element to add to our French toast. Alright, we're just going to mix this a little. When I get it going I'll whisk it up. Nice kind of thick batter here. Wow. Let's get the whisk in there. It might take a little bit to mix that honey in. This is a nice measuring cup to use because I can keep everything in this cup and dip the bread in here when I'm ready to put it in the frying pan. Okay, take a look at all this cinnamon floating around in there. Wow, this is going to be good. Alright, now we're going to cut up the bread. The bread that I'm using here is authentic brioche, cinnamon flavor. And I got this at Wegmans. They have it there usually all the time. It's a real premium bread. This is a French kind of bread, but it's made in New Jersey. It even has a cupcake paper on it. Bread size. Now you can see, if you look close, all the cinnamon that we have going through this bread. Oh boy, talk about flavors. We're going to cut some kind of thick slices here. I'm using a serrated blade here to make nice smooth cuts. Alright, I think we're ready to go to the stove. I'm going to put a little bit of butter in the pan just for some flavor to get us started. And then we'll start dipping the bread and we'll put it into the frying pan and make some delicious French toast. One thing I wanted to show you is it has a stainless steel bottom. This is why you can use it on the induction burner. So it says on the bottom, Foodi Neverstick, 12-inch, dishwasher safe, induction safe. But that'll give us nice even heat distribution on the stovetop too. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of butter in the pan. I got the burner on. As soon as it starts to sizzle a little bit, we'll put some slices in. Okay, the butter's starting to heat up here. The pan's getting warm. We're going to dip the cinnamon brioche toast right into the batter. You can see how the cinnamon's clinging to the toast. Nice creamy batter. And let's see, I'm going to put 3 in to start. This would go good with some nice crispy bacon, don't you think?
Yep.
Alright, you can see the sizzle going on here around the edges of the toast. I'm going to flip this one over and take a look. Oh, it's getting nice and brown. Okay, let's flip the other two. Look at the performance of the Foodi is really good. Put this one back for a few minutes. That one has loads of cinnamon on it because it was the first one I dunked. But these look wonderful. Okay, let's get this one out of the pan. Boy, that looks perfect.
I smell cinnamon.
Oh, you don't even have to have it close to you, do you? It's good. Good smell. Alright, let's add these to the plate. I'm going to cook the rest of them up here real quick.
Melt some butter on them.
Oh yeah, we're going to do that. Let me get these in the pan. We can go taste it then. Alright, we're going to put this on our plates here. A little tasting. And we're going to use some real butter. Okay, we're going to use some real butter and some real maple syrup, of course. Rick, come on up and have a taste with me.
Alright.
Alright, we got some melting butter. We got some real maple syrup. We're going to have to eat a couple pieces to use that up. Okay. We'll just have a taste and we'll sit down and enjoy our breakfast.
Look, you want a bite?
Brioche. Brioche.
Brioche. Butter.
Mmm.
A lot of cinnamony.
Oh yeah. Isn't it good?
Mm-hmm.
That's a nice recipe. Thanks, Andrew. We'll make this one again.
Couple minutes, huh? There's 3 more over there already.
Yep.
Mmm.
That's really... We're going to keep going on this. Try this recipe. We like it.
Mm-hmm. Good.
So maybe you would like it too. Thanks for watching.
Bye.